This is how I make vanilla, banana, macadamia nut ice pop. I scaled 30 grams of vanilla cream sugar into a food saver bag and added 100 grams of sliced banana. I vacuum sealed the bag using a food saver machine. I cooked the vacuum sealed banana in a water bath set at 85 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. I placed the bag of cooked banana into an ice bath to cool down quickly. Cooking the banana under pressure with the vanilla sugar changed the banana into a sweet banana sauce. I cut the bag open and transferred the contents to a mixing bowl. I added 130 grams of macadamia nut milk and added the mixture to a blender. I processed until smooth and passed the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. I added a little extra macadamia nut milk to bring the mixture up to 300 milliliters and gave it a final taste test. I divided the mixture between 3 100 ml ice pop molds. I added the lids, making sure the sticks were in the center of the ice pop, and placed the molds in the bottom of my freezer to harden overnight. To release the pop, I placed the mold in a mason jar filled with hot tap water for 2 seconds. I like to serve 100 milliliter ice pops inside a small 125 milliliter mason jar because they are the perfect size to catch the entire pop in the glass if it melts, and small enough to carry around. 100% plant-based delicious treat.